The next vision-based use case is about fencing. So here you add cameras to monitor an area and then detect if maybe someone enters that area that shouldn't be there. And then you want to trigger some action, maybe just inform someone, flashing some lights or stopping a machine if it's a dangerous situation that you detect. So by using vision sensors, you can build a security solution using edge computing in a simple way. And both these use cases, the attraction with vision sensors is that they are non-intrusive. You can add them onto any existing setup without having to interfere with the current setup. It works with legacy machines, doesn't matter if it doesn't have any connectivity at all. You can still add vision sensors and build these kind of use cases as a completely separate setup that doesn't interfere with your existing setup. So that's why it's attractive to use these kind of scenarios with cameras, and also of course because cameras have become a lot cheaper, so it is actually a pretty cheap sensor these days.